Painting a concrete floor doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let me show you how to transform this concrete floor into something that's warm and inviting. First, inspect the concrete for any cracks, structural damage, and loose paint chips, as well as any dirt, water, or grease. Fill any cracks with concrete crack sealer or quick setting cement. Be sure the cement is fully cured before painting. Clean your floor. I recommend using Krud Kutter Cleaner Degreaser. It removes any of the dirt, debris from the floor. Make sure the floor is dry before you paint. Apply painter's tape where the wall meets the floor and along the edges anywhere else you don't want paint, like moldings, banisters, baseboard heaters. That way you can keep it free of paint. Here's a tip: before you start, open a few windows and make sure you have some fans on hand to help with that ventilation. Using the base coat, cut in around the edges using a quality brush. This will allow for a uniform finish and lets you get into the areas where your paint roller can't get. Use the paint roller to apply the rest of the base coat. Start in the back of the room and work in 4x4 foot sections, leaving a wet edge to ensure a uniform finish. Here's a tip: use a 3/8 inch nap roller and that will give you the smoothest finish. Most colors should only require one coat of floor paint. If a second coat is needed to get your desired look, make sure you wait 6 hours for the first coat to dry. Here's a great tip: make sure you wear socks or booties like this between coats to prevent any footprints or dust getting on that paint. Applying the top coat, cut in around the edges with a quality brush the same way you did the base coat. Only one coat is required. If the second coat is desired for the durability, wait for the first coat to dry, which is about 1 to 2 hours, before you apply the second coat. Once you've applied the top coat, make sure you wait 24 hours before you remove the tape. Be sure to allow 72 hours before you place any of that furniture back on the floor and avoid dragging it. Didn't that turn out great? What a transformation. I've also used this product on a bathroom floor. That video is coming up next.